Good day everyone! Today we're going to present our case study entitled Biodegradation of Food Waste into Bioplastic Using Bacteria. Our group consists of 4 members. First, Ideation binti Wasfi. Second, Aida Inshira binti Danung Sham. Third, Aisha Muhammad Ali. Fourth, Elidia Anna Austin. Today we're looking at the game changer in microbial biotechnology, turning food waste into bioplastic. The ideation is simple. Stop seeing food waste as trash and start seeing it as raw carbon. The invention involves using specialized bacteria that eat this waste and store it inside their bodies as BHA, which is a natural biodegradable plastic. The innovation here is the shift to a circular economy. We are using microbes as tiny factories to replace oil-based plastics with a version that actually breaks down in nature. Now let's look at how this process actually works.
Plastic waste is a major environmental problem due to its non-biodegradable nature. Most conventional plastics persist in the environment for hundreds of years, leading to land, water, and marine pollution. In Malaysia, increasing plastic consumption has resulted in plastic leakage into rivers and oceans, threatening ecosystem and biodiversity. The accumulation of plastic waste also poses risks to both environmental and human health. Food waste pollution is another critical issue, as large amounts of organic waste are disposed of in landfills. Disposal of food waste in landfill or incineration can cause severe environmental problems with direct and indirect emissions of greenhouse gases, which are methane and carbon dioxide. Poor food waste management not only contributes to climate change, but also represents a loss of valuable resources that could otherwise be recovered and reused.
Firstly, plastic waste pollution is a major environmental issue because conventional plastics are non-biodegradable and can remain in the environment for hundreds of years. As a result, plastic waste accumulate in landfills, soil, and aquatic environments, causing long-term pollution. This accumulation disrupts ecosystem and poses serious threat to biodiversity. Although recycling is practiced, it is not fully effective due to low efficiency and high processing costs. Therefore, producing bioplastic using bacteria is a more sustainable solution, as bioplastics are biodegradable and do not persist in the environment. In addition, using food waste as a raw material reduces dependence on fossil-based resources. Secondly, food waste pollution is another critical issue, as large amounts of food waste are disposed of in landfills every year. During anaerobic decomposition, food waste releases methane gas, which is a potent greenhouse gas and contributes significantly to climate change. Furthermore, food waste represents an inefficient use of valuable resources such as water, energy, and agricultural land. Conventional disposal methods fail to recover value from food waste. By converting food waste into bioplastic using bacteria, waste volume and greenhouse gas emission can be reduced while producing useful biodegradable materials. However, variation in food waste composition may affect the efficiency of the process and require further optimization.
Valorizing food waste using microbial processes is an effective strategy to convert organic waste into value-added compound. Through microbial fermentation, microorganisms can break down food waste and transform it into useful products, including bioplastic, biofuel, organic acids, and fertilizers. This reduces the amount of food waste sent into landfills and minimizes greenhouse gas emissions associated with waste decomposition. By turning food waste into valuable resources, microbial valorization supports sustainable waste management and contributes to a circular bioeconomy that reduces pollution and conserves natural resources. Prioritizing the development and use of bioplastics from renewable and sustainable feedstocks is the key strategy in reducing plastic pollution. The urgent need to replace non-biodegradable plastics with eco-friendly alternatives derived from natural resources. By producing bioplastics from renewable biomasses such as vegetable oil, starch, and agricultural residues, including food waste dependence on fossil fuels, can be significantly reduced. This promotes sustainable resource use by transforming biological waste into valuable materials. Recycling properly is important to reduce plastic and organic waste pollution. It is important to understand local recycling guidelines because not all types of plastics are recyclable in every area. Proper recycling practices also include cleaning recyclable items before disposal to prevent contamination, to avoid entire batches of recyclables to be rejected. In addition, composting organic waste such as food scraps help reduce the overall amount of waste sent to landfills. By following the correct guidelines, individuals can support more efficient waste management systems and contribute to cleaner, more sustainable environment.
To conclude, our current waste crisis requires a shift in thinking. By using microbial biotechnology, we can transform organic food waste into biodegradable bioplastics. This doesn't just reduce landfill emissions, it builds a circular bioeconomy that ends our reliance on fossil fuels. By prioritizing these sustainable strategies, we can protect our ecosystems and turn today's waste into tomorrow's resources. And that will be all from us. Thank you!